Okay guys, ito na yung final. So, ready na tayo para bukas. Okay, ito yung main. So, standby lang yan. Okay, ito yung gamitin natin pang outdoor. Okay, so, 1, 2, so, yan is passive speakers. Ito yung active speakers. Right? So, connected yan siya sa mixer to equalizer. Okay? Para sa ating anti-feedback. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Sound 1, 2. Sound check. Check. Sound. Hello. Mic test 1, 2. Sound check. Yan. Malapit na tayo sa speaker. Yan. Hello. Okay. Sound check. 1. Sound check. Yan guys. Okay. 1. Okay. Sound check. Sound check. So, yan na yung final. Alright. Okay, sound. 1. Okay, sound. Check. Okay, part 2. So, yan guys. Para bukas sa ating ito. Okay. So, yan lang guys. Part 2. Oh, yan. Okay. Yan na po. Thank you.